Ever wonder what it's like to see nature at its most extreme? Settle in, adjust your screen, and let's explore the most intense disasters caught on camera. Make sure to subscribe so you stay updated with more incredible footage. The storm hit with an incredible force, with wind speeds up to 190 kilometers per h, ripping through parts of China. Trees, streetlights, and even entire greenhouses were no match for the gusts, leaving chaos in their wake. In Ancheng City, homes were torn apart, and some residents were thrown from their rooms as the storm raged. As if that weren't enough, torrential rain pounded regions like Hunan and Guangdong, with rainfall reaching up to 70 mm per hour. It was like watching nature unleash its fury, leaving broken balconies, scattered debris, and streets transformed into rivers. Do you think this walking cloud is just a natural phenomenon, or could it be something more mysterious? The way it moves looks like it's alive. Maybe it's just wind pushing scud clouds in an unusual pattern. Looks like the whale's leap caused quite the splash, and probably some startled tourists too. The power behind this breach must be immense, but it also shows just how agile these giants of the ocean can be. The cars look like toy boats being carried along a river. The floodwaters are so fierce, turning this road into a raging stream. It's surreal to see streets like this in Pennsylvania submerged.
And now we have the black beach in it.
It looks like an underwater earthquake might have caused this sudden surge of waves in Bali. As the ocean overflowed into the resort, they can only imagine the damage left behind. Luckily, it seems like it wasn't as devastating as it could have been.
Whoa.
The boulders seem to pour off the cliff like a waterfall of destruction. It's almost like the mountain is giving way under its own weight, turning the once solid structure into a dangerous cascade of debris. This burning mud phenomenon in Taiwan is likely due to volcanic gases like methane escaping from underground. Areas with volcanic activity often have these natural gas leaks that can ignite upon contact with oxygen, creating a fiery display. Is that a cloud, or are those birds? I can't believe how perfectly they're flying together like that. It's incredible how nature organizes itself so effortlessly. This looks almost too perfect to be real.
Oh my God!
Wait. Did lightning just strike a Prius during a storm chase? I can't believe it. Cars are supposed to be safe, but still, that's something you don't expect to see happen. The truck seems like a stranded giant, frozen in place while the snowstorm rages around it. The thick layer of snow makes the road disappear, turning the highway into a treacherous winter wonderland. It's like a mini Arctic river cutting through Steffensburg. The way the ice moves along the river reminds me of glaciers breaking apart, except it's happening right here, in this Swiss town. Well, I guess the dragonflies decided it's their beach day too. They're out here taking over the skies like they own the place. Looks like even the bugs are trying to catch some sun at Misquamicut Beach. Looks like it's rush hour at the Bat Cave. I bet these Mexican free-tailed bats have some seriously impressive GPS to navigate like that in the dark. Batman would be proud. It looks like strong ocean waves overwhelmed the seawall in Scituate, Massachusetts, resulting in a sudden flood of icy seawater pouring through the streets. The town now faces the challenge of cleaning up after nature's force. The avalanche cascades down the mountainside like a roaring waterfall of snow, swallowing everything in its path. It's as if the mountain is shedding its winter coat, sending a white wave rushing toward the trees below. Heavy rainfall saturating the ground likely caused this massive landslide, leading to the mountainside giving way under the pressure. A dangerous rush of mud and debris, altering the landscape in minutes. It's like watching a natural light show that rivals any fireworks display. The way the lightning flashes and fills the sky reminds me of a concert where nature is the performer and the ocean is the stage. Colorado sees around 50 tornadoes a year, especially in the eastern plains. Still, seeing one hit a neighborhood like this is a rare and shocking sight. Looks like the mountains decided to send a mudslide delivery. I hope that car wasn't planning on getting a car wash anytime soon. It's going to need a serious cleaning after this. The Mare Valley is known for its volcanic activity, and while eruptions like this can be devastating, they also contribute to Iceland's growing landmass and unique landscapes. The recent downpours in Keelung likely loosened the soil, leading to this dangerous landslide. As the earth gave way, rocks and dirt poured onto the road, blocking traffic and posing a serious threat to drivers.
Ooh, that's gonna be loud.
You see the plane on the camera stage?
The combination of warm tropical air and a low-pressure system likely led to the formation of this massive storm over Haiku. Heavy rains, powerful winds, and a sky that looks ready to open up at any moment. Ocean sunfish, also known as mola mola, are known to grow over 2 tons and are the heaviest bony fish in the world. Despite their size, they are harmless to humans and spend most of their time drifting through the open ocean in search of food. It's like watching a flash flood, but instead of rain, it's hail causing the chaos. The streets of Nalchik have transformed into icy waterways, and the cars look like they're caught in a winter storm's wake.
Alright, this is looking eastward. We're at Val Vista.
What could have triggered such a massive dust storm in Phoenix's strong winds and Arizona's dry conditions likely triggered this enormous dust storm over Phoenix? As the wind picked up loose desert sand and dirt, it created a massive wall of dust, reducing visibility and making it dangerous to be outside.
Chandler Heights. And then this is south of the Santiam Mountains.
What would you do if you saw an EF5 tornado this close to your home? Would you grab your camera like these people or head straight for the nearest shelter? It's hard to look away from something so dangerous yet mesmerizing. Wow, looks like Iceland decided to turn up the heat. That volcano is putting on quite the fireworks show. Hope nobody forgot the marshmallows.